But then in 2001, we re-released the same song, a different version. One of them dance remixes. But you can jump up and down, you can do what the hell you want, you can even get up on the tables. The song's all about a huge farming implement. I got a brand new combine harvester. Who loves you, baby? Ha! Come on now, let's get together and come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got a brand new combine harvester, that'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. Oh, you got 20 acres and you've got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. You may not laugh. I drove my tractor through your haystack last night. I threw me pitchfork at your dog to keep quiet. Now someone's telling me that you more light than me. Come on now, darling, you got something I need. I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you've got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I'll stick by you, I'll give you all that you need. We'll have twins and triplets, I'm a man built for speed. And you know I love you, darling, so give me your hand. The thing I want the most is all the acres of land. For 7 long years I've been alone in this place. Think sleep in the kitchen is the proper disgrace. Now while I clean it up, would you change your mind? I'll give a drinking Strokey and that larder alive. I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you've got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. When we grab couple left that last Wurzels dance, I wore brand new gators and me 40 right bands. In your new Sunday dress, with your perfume smelling grand. We had our full of silk in a soul and dance. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Now that we go past the hedges, I think that you and me just stop this gallivanting, and will you marry me? 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together. 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 Perfect harmony. You're a fine-looking woman, but I can't wait to get my hands on your land.
Whoa. Hello, man. There you are. All you ladies, you've seen the other side of the moon now, haven't you? Eh? The darkest side.
Kyle Minogue, get your heart out. You can laugh, I'll tell you what, I'd love to see Kyle Minogue's ass when she's my age.